Hello everyone, this is Gwen, and how are you all doing today? So today's episode, we are going to unbox some stuff from Disney Shop na kakarating lang. Hello everyone! Yay! I got 2 boxes here from Disney Shop. Ayan. This is 172 worth of stuff, but this is actually, or we got this for free. It's because we have the points when we went to Disneyland like 2018. Alright, so I am so excited to share this with you guys. So samahan niyo po ako mag-unbox tayo nitong mga binigay nila. Thank you so much, Disney Shop. Thank you so much. So, let's start unboxing bago pa magdilim. Dagdag to. Dagdag to sa mga bagahe ko. Ah, yay! Oh, nice. Yay! Okay, this is melamine. Nice. Wow. I don't think I'm going to use this. Maybe just for display. This one, very cool. The two are the same, like Palace or yeah. Ang ganda. Let's open the second box, guys. Ayan. Inside. Hi! Okay. There you go. Hi, ang cute. Wow. Look. Yan. Ang ganda, oh. Laman nito. Oh. Grabe naman tong ano nila. Kala ko kung ano. Oh, meron pa siyang mga ano. Ayan. 4 cards. And the coin packet. Ayan. I love it. So cute. And very, very good quality. Okay, next. Tada! Yay! Minsan lang tayo magkagamit ito, guys. Kaya naman super excited naman tayo nito. Ah, ano pala siya ng Nike, oh? Magkaano sila ng Nike? Yeah, this is $34.99. So, basta lahat-lahat ito is $172. Pero wala namang nagbayad pala ako ng $5. Kasi sumobra yung order ko, 177. Naalala ko na. Very nice. Very good quality. Alright, yung shoulder ko, nag-uumpisa ng mangalay. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda ng kanyang loob at labas is really nice. Yeah. Ang ganda. Try ko nga. Ah, yay! Ang ganda niya. Saktong-sakto. Wow. Perfect. Yan. $35. Diba? 1,500 pesos. Okay, next. Okay. Ang ganda niya pala, guys. Meron siyang pearl na button. And then, looks mga perlas around the edges. And then, I can make this as... So, let's give it a try. Why not? Talian dito. Ang ganda, oh. Kunti lang naman. Ayan, oh. Nice. Yay! Very nice. Nagkaroon ako ng bag from Disney Shop. Ayan. So, ang loob niya, let's see. Inside the bag. Baka may pera. Ayan, guys, oh. Nice. Kung ayaw mo ng plastic, oh, pwede mo palang paghiwalayin. Like, oh, pouch. So, it's like 2-in-1 bag. Yeah. Pwede mong gamitin ito lang. Ang cool, diba? Yung, plastic na bag. Wow! I love it. I'll take that. Yay! Disney. Okay, next. Here you go. Ang maganda kasi dito, this is free. Free talaga. Oh. Look at that. It's a metal mug. Maganda nga to kasi hindi mababasag. Yung mga noon, di ba yung parang mga may white color siya dito and then color blue. Parang ganito eh. Parang lata. Pero mabigat. Mabigat siya. Ay, ayan. Ako, kahit ibato-bato to. Ibato mo to. Wala. Hindi mababasag. Ay, super. Ang ganda ng mga, nila. Quality. So, ang ganda talaga ng naisip nila. That way nga naman, it's worth it. Kasi ito po ay $24.99 each. Pareho to sila. They are just the same. Kasi in order ko for me and for my husband, ayan. Maganda ito kasi hindi masisira. Ang kapal niya and mabigat. Hindi basta-basta. Talaga naman to pang matagal. Ay lalo na kung hindi mo to gamitin, gawin mong pan-display kasi parang collector mo to for or from Disneyland. Ayan. Very nice. Thank you so much. Disney Shop. Nakuha ko na. I got it. Thumbs up with their quality. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. And I'm so happy. Bahala na kung hindi kayo happy for me. Sabi gan. Thank you so much.